As cooks, we spend so much time and energy picking the best possible ingredients, but what you cook those ingredients with matters just as much. We like to say your fuel is your first ingredient. At the core of Spark, what really makes it special is the brick. One of the big insights from my experience creating cook stoves was that if you could pair the fuel with the hardware and design the two to work really well together, that's when you could do really cool things. That's when you could give a level of precision and control to charcoal that just wasn't possible before.
Well, what's unique about Spark is the way we're bringing food science to charcoal. We don't use petrochemicals in our bricks. We start with American hardwood charcoal. We add natural woods like hickory or applewood, depending on the flavor profile that we're going for. We mix it, we shape it, and we package. The holes in the brick are designed to maximize oxygen flow, which allows the brick to heat up faster and give you more control over your cooking temperature. We use natural binders that hold the brick together and allow for easy ash cleanup.
We have uniquely designed bricks for every cooking style. A low and slow brick for smoking, an everyday grilling brick, and a high heat brick for Neapolitan pizza or searing at 900 degrees. You can order bricks online or through the app, and we ship directly to you. If you're in a pinch, you can totally use other charcoal in the grill if you want, but a lot of the unique benefit of Spark comes from using the brick and the grill together. At the end of the day, it's all about giving you more control so that you can be more creative.